Dinosaur Train. Oh my god. This show sucks. This show is about some dinosaurs and they like to ride a train. Buddy looks no. Buddy looks stupid. Tiny is such a crybaby. Dawn is garbage. And Shiny looks terrible. And the other dinosaurs of this train, are so ugly. And unfortunately, it got canceled in 2020, which I am glad it got canceled in 2020. But and and do you know who hates the show? That the dinosaur train haters, such as me, Doodleballs for the win, Lazy Town for the win, and other haters do. And I don't know who people who likes this show either. So if you like Dinosaur Train, I'll expect your opinion. Anyway, and a rant and goodbye.